Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate WSL file access performance tweaks easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Windows Start menu. Type PowerShell into the search bar. Right-click on Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. In the PowerShell window, type the command WSL set version distroname 2 to set your desired Linux distribution to version 2. Replace distroname with the name of your distribution, like Ubuntu or Debian. Press Enter to execute the command. Next, set the default WSL version to 2 by entering WSL set default version 2. Press Enter again. Now, we need to optimize file access performance. Navigate to your home directory in the Linux environment. Type cd/mn/c to access your C drive. Create a new directory for your project by typing dir project. Navigate into your project directory by typing cd project. To optimize performance, you can create a .wsl config file for further tweaking. Go back to the Windows file system. Open your home directory by typing %user profile % in the File Explorer address bar. Create a new text file named .wsl config without any file extension. Open the .wsl config file in a text editor. Add the following configurations: WSL2, memory equals 4 GB, processors equals 2, swap equals 8 GB, localhost forwarding equals true. These settings. Save the file and exit the text editor. Now, it's time to restart WSL. In PowerShell, type WSL shutdown and press Enter. This will terminate all running WSL instances. Reopen your distribution by typing WSL in the PowerShell or Windows terminal. Confirm that the optimizations have taken effect. You can test file access speed by creating and copying large files. Use the time command for measuring execution duration. This will help you see the performance improvements. If you notice significant speed increases, your tweaks have worked effectively. Congratulations, you have successfully activated WSL file access performance tweaks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.